some fencing. We're just gonna put 2 posts in and put like 4 panels out. So we already put one of the panels up. We don't need to show you that because that's just screwing in a fence. So from here, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make the tops of the fence level. Since I already went with the fencing that was already there, the top is already level. So I'm just gonna put this string across the very tip top, and I'm going to put it across with a little, put one of these, what are these things called? Oh, with one of the levels on the string so we get as level as possible along the tops of the fence. There's no scissor?
No, there wasn't a scissor there. I don't know where you put it. You lost the scissor.
So you put this in the middle and see where it's level. Put it in the middle.
I think I need a stool.
What, to sit?
Not level at all. Going like the bubble's going that way.
This way? Right there?
A little bit higher. No, a little bit lower. Sorry. Lower. Lower.
Double check. Oh, so where the fence already is pretty much where it's level, right?
Yeah.
So we'll just go by the top of that then. Fence as well. Oh, the fence is actually. So maybe we want. Hey. That's if it touches the ground, you know?
Fence is 5'11", but then you're gonna put it up more.
5'11". Good. We should put a line on the bottom too. Just so we know where the bottom's straight, you know what I mean? So how are we gonna do this? With the top. So put it along the line of where that piece of wood is. You know what I mean? So it's sort of gotta be in the middle of this pole. Sorry, I'm bad explaining sometimes, but she has to hold that at the middle of that post over there.
Yes.
And I gotta find the 8 feet over here. Alright, you can let go. So I'm just gonna run a line on the bottom of the fence as well, so we could guide where we want to dig easier. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, she's pretending, but we forgot to videotape. She's untangled the whole friggin' thing. It took me like 20 minutes and took her 2 seconds.
This is our ugly rest of our fence we did because...
It's not that ugly from the other side though.
No, from the other side you can't tell.
Yeah.
But this side you can tell.
But...
So what are we gonna, how are we gonna fix this? We're gonna leave it like this?
How are we gonna fix this? We're just gonna put it on the other side for now.
Ew, that's gonna make it uglier.
No. Why?
Well, we'll see, we'll see. Let's just take it off here. So we just moved the first real fence over to see where we're gonna dig the hole for the pole. And we're trying to see if it's aligned with the next pole so that we could screw it in right at the edges.
Want to go? Okay. Whew! My goggles keeps hitting me in the face. About 2 hours later. Almost there. Let me measure it real quick, see how many more inches we need. We need to get at least 2 feet in there because it's an 8-foot pole. Try to get up to 6 feet about. But see, I had to axe that tree for over the last 2 hours. So this right here took a while. Had to keep axing, axing, and axing. There, Bessie's gonna measure it. How much we got?
Almost 2 feet.
Almost 2 feet?
Yeah.
Almost. Is that like another 4 inches? Alright, let's keep going. Ooh, good thing. Okay, so in order to get it level, I'm using some bricks and some little wood wedges. So I want to see, that's perfect right there. This can connect right here. Almost perfect on the top. Now I just gotta cement the pole right in the middle there. I might want to connect this side to make it easier for me. So as I was showing you, we have little wedges here, and I put 2 little paint sticks to make that exact height. Got my handy dandy assistant, got my head flashlight, and we're going to do it without cementing the wood side in. So we're not going to cement that in. We're first going to screw this side in so it's stable, and then we're going to screw that one in and cement it tomorrow. So let's do that. Now we're going to screw this one in. Goes the fun part, baby.
This is how I rigged it last night. Because the wind was 14 miles per hour today.
Alright, so we gotta get the level.
The green one and the other one.
Let me see.
De dos.
So this has to come over here. Here, hold this real quick. So as I put 1/3 water in the hole, so I'm gonna guesstimate that with my eyes. Bessie's gonna hold this and make sure this is balanced and that side's balanced.
Be here.
Yeah, so that's gotta be. Here, hold it slow. See, it's gotta be like right there.
In the meantime, I'll dance.
Damn. 1/3 water.
Yeah.
Try to get it equally around this damn thing.
Yeah, I think you could just add more water, right?
No.
Oh, it's already like thick. It's already like, I can't really move the...
Get off the pole here. Yeah.
Okay.
Push it good. Down. So I want to explain how it's going to be a little wet. It's going to set.
It's gonna be a little wet, but it's gonna set.
Double checking to see if we're good. This should be 16 feet. So, from center to center.
It should be right here. It should be right here.
Yeah, 16 feet. Perfect. Marker
Taper.
and tape and the string that we shall mark.
Oh God, it's a big one again?
Huh?
It's a big one again?
Yeah.
Well, it's not as big, right?
We'll see when I start cutting it, see? I guess I should have got my goggles, right?
Oh.
These are big. This is called finding fossils. Pretty much found the old post and now I just keep digging down until I get this damn thing out. Hopefully there's no concrete on it. Got the quad. I'm gonna try to pull this damn thing out of the ground. It's so hard to dig, so hopefully it just pulls out with the quad. So I wrap the rope around, I'm gonna slowly go backwards and see if it comes out.
Really stuck. Stuck. No, no, no. Didn't move at all.
No? Damn. What are you gonna do?
Change of plans. I'm forcing him to put the pole in front of this pole because we tried with the quad, wasn't working, and I'm over it. So I'm forcing him to align the fence towards the front.
It's a team effort.
And come to the front. Team effort, what do you mean? Oh, the decision?
Yeah.
What? I literally, he was wanting to go to Home Depot, buy a thing, take it out.
So before we cement it in, we figured it's better to stick on the pole first. So we screwed it to the good pole and now the non-cemented pole. What do we got? One more?
2 more.
Oh yeah?
Oh, one more fencing?
No, one more screw, right?
2 more screws.
Hanging around at 8:15 for thunderstorms. It's over Trenton right now.
8:15?
Yeah.
What time is it? Oh, not an hour. Time to cement. How's the level? How's the level? That's what it looks like. Then we put a little more water on it.
Last fence.
Last fence, baby.
We'll show you in the morning what it looks like. End result.
You can do it over there, you alright?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah, let me just finish putting this. Go through the front of the house.
Am I coming?
Here, come.
It's the next day. I didn't hear it rain last night.
It did rain. Yeah,
Okay.
it was wet in the morning.
Okay, well it was wet in the morning, I guess. This is the end result of our hard work. We ended up putting the pole right in front of the other pole and it ended up working out. It's pretty aligned from what we see. Right? Right here, where is it in here? It's like slightly, well this is already warped.
What?
right? This
No,
is
pretty good.
okay. And then we ended up, even though this is
Slight.
this is kind of ugly from the front, it looks perfectly fine. But we ended up putting this back up.
Yeah, until we eventually complete the full fence. That's a temporary thing.
But see, it's cemented in there. We're gonna take out the bricks.
No?
Oh, sure.
There you go. Take your time, you know? Take your time, porcupine.
It's gonna drop down underneath for it to be leveled.
Yeah. We made a little step. A little stepping, what do you call it?
Stepping stones. Step up.
See how it goes down slightly? Down slightly, then it's just straight from there. But I'm gonna have to cut that off one day. But other than that, everything's sturdy. Let's give it a little sturdiness test. Good. That's the end. Until another fence falls down, we should be good for now. All right?
And when it does, never give up.